The older I get, the more I appreciate the recipes that were handed down through my family. For me, this barbecue sauce is one of them. This recipe comes from my Aunt Beatrice. She spent most of her life working as a cook in a small town diner in Pennsylvania, feeding generations of people who loved both her food and her company. After graduating from high school, I actually moved in with my grandmother and Aunt Bea, and my Aunt Bea is the one who actually got me my first waitressing job at the diner she cooked for. So today I'm sharing Aunt Bea's homemade barbecue sauce recipe so her cooking can live on in another kitchen. This recipe doesn't look fancy because it uses items you already have in your kitchen, but the taste is amazing. We're going to start off with 1 cup of regular ketchup. Add that into your pan and then add 1/3 of a cup of Worcestershire sauce. Next up is 6 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1½ tablespoons of vinegar. Next up is 1½ teaspoons of prepared mustard and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You could use smoked salt here, it's fantastic in this. Next is 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then 1/2 teaspoon of horseradish. You could use more or less. That's the beauty of this recipe. Any of these can be adjusted to your personal taste. And some fresh ground pepper. I used about 1/4 teaspoon. You'll simmer this for 15 to 20 minutes. One thing I really appreciate most about recipes like this is how simple they are. There's no specialty ingredients, no complicated techniques, just pantry staples that are transformed into something people remember and ask for again and again. That's part of what made Aunt Bea such a great cook. She knew how to take ordinary ingredients and turn them into something special. I'm really glad I saved this recipe from my Aunt Bea. It's one more piece of my family's history that doesn't have to disappear. If you decide to make this barbecue sauce, I'd love to hear what you think. And if you have a family recipe that immediately brings back memories of someone you loved, tell me about them in the comments. Thanks for spending time with me in the kitchen today. We'll see you soon.